can go to the problem here, right? Okay. Now, as I told you, first we have to we should know how to generate the state space tree for this problem. Okay. So before we'll get solution is going to be like this. Solution is going to be whether I am going to include the object or not, like this. Okay. This is a sample solution. Okay. So I need a solution like this. Whether I am including the solution or not. Okay. So these are the things which we have already discussed anyway. So now we will try to generate the state space tree. So with the state space tree only we are going to find the solution, right? Okay. So in the state space tree, we are assuming the upper value is infinity in the beginning. So first of all, we will be starting from the first node, that is the top value, where what is the value of u and c. As I told you, we will be converting this value, I mean, into minimization problem. So will be we are going to find whether we are going to include an item or not. Okay. So x1 is included or not, x1 is not included. That is the two immediate next nodes are going to be here. Okay. So first of all, we are going to find the u here. What is this value of u? Okay. I'll be calculating here. Okay. So actually, C will be considering for fractions, right? So here I will be telling you that the first item is included. Just to look at that. Okay, this is a given problem. Okay, first item, second item, 10, 10, 12, and 18. Okay, and the maximum capacity of the bag is 15. So 2, 4, 6, 9. So here, first item is included. This first item, and second item is included, and third item is included. I think it is 12, right? Yes. So what is the weight? First item is 2 plus 4 plus 6. 2, 4, 6. So next item is 9. Okay. So here 6 plus 4, 10, 12. So total weight is 12, right? Can we include the next item? If I include the next item, it is 18. But what is the weight? It is 9. So 12 plus 9 will be higher, larger than the capacity. Capacity is only 15. So if I'll add 9, then it will be how much? 21. So I cannot include. So I'll do here. 15 minus 12 is so only 3 more kg can be included. Okay. So I'll include the fourth item in a fractional manner. So I can do like this. So C is equal to 10 plus 10 12 plus 18 by 9. So I'll get weight for 1 kg into 3. So 3 more kg can be included with this. So how much? 2 times 2 to 6 times, right? So I mean 6, 2 into 3, 6. So how much total? 10, 20, 30, 38. Okay, so it is minus 38. Okay, so this is for C. And what for U now? As I told you, you can calculate the C only for fractions. For U, you can calculate simply without including the fractions. So for U, so 10 plus 10 plus 12. So this will give you below 15. Okay, so it is 32. So you can start from this initialization. Okay, so this is the initial value for U and C. Isn't it down? How to calculate the C and U for the first node? Initial value, we didn't reach the solution now. Okay, so as I told you, the next node is going to be generated. Uh, Either I can include x1, so x1 equal to 1, here x1 equal to 0. Okay, so I am including the first item, I am not including the first item. That's what. Okay, so I am going to generate the second node here and third node here. What is the value of U for second node? What is the value of C? Here I am including x1, so the same value is going to be taken. I mean the U value is only minus 32 because I am including x1. For C also it will be same. I am including x1 here, right? If I am not including x1, then the cost will change, right? Because if I am not including x1, what will happen? The some cost will be reduced, right? So what is the value for that node for U and I mean for what is the value for U and C? Okay, okay. 7. We are going to calculate the U value without fraction, C value with fraction. Am I right? So we are checking 10 first node, second item, and the third item. Okay. So 2, 4, and 6. So here I am not including x3, okay, because x3 is 0 here. Okay. Then we are going to calculate the total weight. So 4 plus 2, it is 6, correct? Then 15 minus 6, how much? Exact 9 more weight can be added. What is the weight of the fourth item? It is exactly 9. So I can include the item simply into the bag. Okay. So without fraction also I can able to include it. But so 18, because 2 plus 4 plus it is 9 only. So 9 kg can be added. So the value will become 15. So here it is 38. So the C value is going to be minus 38. And as I told you, without fraction, here you can add a U value, right? But there is no fraction at all. So I can add all the items as it is. That is 38 only. So U value will also be minus 38, right? So this is for this level. And here you can see we will be trying to add one more item here, right? X4. But if you add X4, then what will happen? This value will exceed the value, that is the bounding function will be failed. So according to that, it will be killed. Okay, we are killing this node. Why? Because we cannot increase this cost, I mean weight, because we have included the first item, second item, third item. We can, while you are including more items into this, the weight will be higher than this. So we are killing this node here. So I can generate only 7th node. Okay. Understanding? Here I killed the 3rd node already. 5th node is also already killed. Now there recently we killed the 6th node. Here we are going to explore the 7th node. So here x1 is included. X1 is 1. X2 is 1. And here x3 is 1, but x3 is 0 here. Okay. And after that, x4 is included, and here x4 is not included. Okay. So what for this 8th node and the 9th node? So here you have to calculate U and C. Right? So as I told you, here we are including the item. So the same value will be retained as it is, right? So what is the 7th node value? U is 32, C is also 32. Okay, even after including, it is minus 38. This is also, C is also minus 38. So I'm not including x4 here, right? Then what will happen for node 9? Here the cost is, I'm not including, just you can see here x1 is included, x2 is included, x3 is not included, x4 is also not included. So only the first 2 items are included, right? So the weight is, I mean profit is 10 plus 10 only, that is 20, right? So C is also that there is no fraction at all, right? So it is also 20. So both are minus 20. So you can see here this minus 20 is greater than minus 38. So according to this condition, this node will be killed. Okay. So we stopped here. That is what the solution. Okay. So just take the x value here. So x value x1, x and x4. Okay. So this is the final solution. That is nothing but 10 plus 10 plus 18 is equal to 38 total weight, and the cost is 2 plus 4 plus 9, that is 15. So this is the final